So welcome to my palace. So guys, we just made it to IHOP. We're gonna go inside and dine in. Yeah, we might as well, because at this point, like, why not?
You know, I ain't eating in the car right now. Not that I don't mind it, but hey. Yeah.
So yeah, we will see you in there. We'll try to get a little clip, but they're always playing music, so copyright, you know. But
We could snip a little, you know what I mean? Gotta wear mask, you know? Safety.
Okay. We will see you soon, guys. Yay. What are you gonna get, Jafar?
Good.
You got orange juice. I got hot chocolate. That's my baby right there. You don't know what you're getting? Guys, I'm getting
I'm always in the
this right
choices
here.
when I come to places like this.
But I'm getting it with
You think I should try that too, the French toast?
eggs. I love their French toast. Eggs and bacon.
Eggs and, you think I could add pancake to that? If I could add pancake, I'd be good.
Really?
I want some pancakes.
Okay. So guys, we got the food. That's my eggs with ham and hash brown. I don't eat hash brown.
logged out yet, like what?
Jafar got pancake and you got the split thing, whatever. So we got pancake, bacon, French toast, and ham. But mine is better. Then I got lemonade. Jafar, mine is better.
Of course yours will be better. It's alright.
Guys, this is the aftermath. I finished all my French toast. This is my favorite. I tried to finish my egg, but I'm so full.
Yeah, I'm full too.
Was it good?
It was really good.
Yeah, it was really, really good.
Probably the best I've had in a while, even though the last one was like 2 years ago.
So guys, yeah, compared to the food that we had last night, that was amazing. Yeah, and we saved a lot more money. We should have just came here yesterday and get it over with, because we would have saved a lot, and we had good food.
You know, just went with something that we're used to instead of trying new stuff. You try new stuff ain't always bad, but it's just like that wasn't it.
Yeah,
wasn't it.
My belly right now is super full. Like, I'm so full. Like, it's crazy. So anyways, yeah.
It was some heavy ass cake.
Yeah, guys, let me know what you think. Is French toast better than pancakes? Because I think they are a lot better. Like 100% better. Period.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Alrighty, guys. I'll see you soon. Guys, so we're at the Breakers. We're gonna go over there and go in. Oh, the mansion. Okay, we're gonna go in there. Okay, so welcome to my palace. So we're going in. Pay attention to the details. Details, can you hear me? Cool, right? Oh, it's kind of chilly. Guys, look at this view that we have here. Oh my goodness, I am loving it. This is my mansion. I'm kidding. It's called the Breakers, the Vanderbilt or whatever. My friend told me it's called the Vanderbilt.
Is that like lines on top of it? Yeah,
I don't know, but it's so cool, right? Oh my goodness. Guys, I'll try to sneak a little bit inside.
You have to go that way. Oh, this is kind of cool. Oh my goodness, guys. I love this. Because of social distancing, you can't really do a lot. But this right here is beautiful. Can you imagine? Royalty. Priesthood. See, the tour continues. Oh my goodness. It's like like when you watch the Jesus movies and you see where like the kings are. Oh my goodness, this is awesome. This is so awesome. Look at that, Jafar. That's so awesome. Oh my goodness. It's interesting. It just reminds me of like in the Bible days for some reason. Did I show you guys a table? It's so nice. Okay, the tour continues. You can't touch anything due to COVID. Good. They got their little pool. Wait, that's cutesy. Look at the ceiling. It's like there's angels. There's no way I could get enough of this thing. This is so cute. I want to be a princess. Merry Christmas, Jafar. Merry Christmas. Yeah, you have to pay attention because like, even on the ceiling there's deep details. That's it.
Tour continues. They got a big room, and I was like, what's the point? For that little tiny bed. And that's his room. Yeah, it's very, very small. Merry Christmas, happy holiday. Merry Christmas. Bathroom from back in the days. Wonder what that is. This looks cool though, but it's so tiny. Ooh.
Put your foot in it, but it's like deep.
Yeah, it's deep. Oh, this looks like his daughter's room. Mrs. Oh, wait, so the husband and the wife don't be together? Guys, we can't use our flash. And they all got a fireplace. And their own Christmas tree. Well, maybe not Christmas tree back in the days. Dude, that's just random. Oh, it's Mrs. So that was his? And no, this is his wife's room. That's crazy. You're like, no, sorry, babe. I don't want to sleep with you tonight.
I'm gonna sleep tomorrow.
I will sleep in my room. Hey. That's so pretty. Nice. Now, nice face basin, but very old. This tub is bigger, way bigger, but not as deep and not as fancy. And guys, look who it is. The tour continues with this beautiful room. It looks princessy, so I think it's the daughter. What you think? What you think, Jafar? You think it's the... They got some bougie mirrors, man. Like, Can you imagine? It was so sad that they didn't have selfies back then. Oh. It's her room. Portrait of Gertrude Vanderbilt that has been temporarily removed. One of his children? Oh my goodness, why can't we? We should be able to. No, that's not fair. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh lordy. That is so beautiful. Imagine just look, like I would be out here like literally every single day. Yo. I'm still not over the ocean. Like, it's so picture perfect. Like, the arcs and everything. Oh my goodness. I'm just hurting my feelings. This is the biggest bed I've seen. Jafar! Jafar! I think I found the biggest bed. This is literally the biggest bed I've seen in here since I've been here.
This is the biggest bed. I like this room the most. I feel
this says
this is the
Vanderbilt family childhood, a servant family childhood. That's the biggest bed I've seen. Oh, it looks like it was a twins room or. Probably. Why you want to restore? Oh, look at us. Let's take a picture. Where's the toilet? No, that's the water, weirdo. No, because it sounds disgusting. It does? I can't smell anything with my mask. And this is a nice tub. This is the nicest tub I've seen. The size is good and it's not like dirty. Nice staircase. Mine is nice. It's weird. Look at that. And the tour continues. Hello.
Hello there, welcome. Come on into the kitchen.
Ooh, now this is a posh kitchen. It's the thought that counts. Some big pots. They're all rose gold. French bread. Can I get a slice of French bread, please? They have like pots with like. That's cool. Their kitchen isn't as bougie or posh as I like it to be, but you want a slice of bread, guys? You can have it. No swallow. Oh no, that's a big thing. And they got their stuff in the cabinet. Cupboards. You got a little view outside. Oh, it's kind of cold right here. Can I get a cup of tea? Oh.
Encumbered by religion, but the Mr. and Mrs. Vanderbilt actually met one another and then they taught Sunday school at the Episcopal Church in New York.
Oh, so they were Christians?
Well, Episcopal, yeah, well, of course,
Yeah. It gave me like the Bible feel. Like, you know when you watch those old Christian movies? I don't know if you watch them, but like that's the feel I got from like being in here.
Yeah. You know, people of that golden age were not, they weren't really religious people. It was not part of it.
Okay. Thank you. Have a good one.
Thank you so much for visiting. Enjoy your afternoon.
All right, thank you. I would only come to the kitchen once a day. Hello. Guys, this is a little, oh, this is so beautiful. I like nature, if you can tell. I love nature. Nature, baby. This is God's creation. Nature, baby. Yeah. It's the view for me, like.
Big but
More land? This is a lot of land, bro.
not really. Once I start building and putting what I want to put in here, this is a lot.
This is just picture perfect. Guys, there's somebody surfing. I don't know if you can see it. They actually, oh yeah, they're still surfing. They're like right there. I don't know. Can you see? Yeah, that person right there. That's cool, right? Birds in the sky, you know how I feel.
I want to get to the back and I want to walk.
Guys, it's so cool. Look at this clown. I told him he wants to walk down there, and I told him, give me his jacket. He opened his jacket and zipped it up so fast. Like, let's go to the car and get my jacket. Cause listen. Oh my goodness. Woo. We're gonna go down there. Okay? We're gonna take y'all. Okay? We will see you soon. Guys, look it. I know that water is cold. I know they're cold.
No, he's cold. So we're going left or right?
I don't know. It's a cliff walk. We're going on a walk.
I wish you could walk. I wish the car was like on one end so we could just like walk from on one end to the other.
Right.
You know what I mean?
I don't know. I think we should walk this way.
I said, Marla, I'm going to take out the dive in there.
No, you're not. And that's the mansion. Oh, look over there, Jafar. It looks like you can walk on the rocks and go down there, but you can't. Jafar, come on, come back. Trail, and it's so windy, like it's literally moving us. You know what I said? Us, not just me, because y'all be coming for me in the comments saying, oh, it's because I'm skinny.
Wow.
But it's not, because it's getting too far too. I had to get my coat because it's so cold. Oh my goodness. Watermelon sugar. Oh. Guys, you want to go for a swim?
If I brought my clothes, I would still go for a swim. No doubt.
I would not, because you know what? It's freezing. You see I'm wearing my jacket right now, and you know it's cold too. So, no, I would not do it because this ain't Jamaica, sis. Bro. It's cold. It's cold. It's cold. We're on the beach, baby! He just looked at me like,
He's strolling his baby boy.
And I'm screaming over here like, what's wrong with this child? What'd you write, Jafar? He wrote his name. You a Aggie, bro. You Aggie. Yeah, nah, you're not finna get them clocks. Where you get the new clocks then? Which color that button? Woo! It would be nice to be eating ice cream and walking.
You would be cold. You're already cold. You would be trembling.
Smiling with the paper. It's a dead.
Now you trying to look like a. And he really is dead though.
Poor baby. I'm sorry. Don't touch your something, man. We have to catch my funeral feet.
I want to poke it with a stick.
No, you're not doing
I
that.
want to poke it with a stick just like anybody else would. Hold on, let me find this. I need to find the stick. Where the stick at? Hold up.
Like, stop! What did you do? Stop! I'm sorry, guys, if I'm yelling in y'all ears. You evil! Stop! So what? You're overkill. Yes, you could go to jail. You're messing with a murder scene.
What?
Guys, whatever, baby. Now you see you mess with it, and now it's gonna be all in the water.
That's where it's supposed to be.
In the water?
Where its remains, you make the fish eat its remains.
Oh, so now you're just trying to justify your actions, saying you're making the fish eat it.
Imagine surfing or sort of like
What I don't understand is how they're surfing when it's so cold. Like, guys, right now it's probably like, what's the temperature? Let me tell them the temperature because
it's currently. Sorry.
it is currently, oh, somebody's surfing now. That's cool though. What's the temperature?
Not popping up. It's not 40, so I know that for a fact.
There's people out there surfing. And I know it's freezing, so I don't know what's up.
Johnny, checking the. Oh, the guy trying to catch it. Oh, nah.